All right, what's up, everybody? We got the Rep Fitness FB-5000 bench in red. Gonna open this thing up, do a full review for you, and see what we got here. So let's get moving. Go ahead and take off. Got 3 black straps here. Go ahead and get those taken off. Flip it over. UPS came and dropped this off. So shipped UPS, shipped about, I'd say probably took about a week to get in. Show you what's in the box. Box is in fairly good condition, I would say, for right now. That to catch everything. So in the box, we're gonna have knife back. I got it in red because why not? All right, so get the red crossbeam right there, pretty heavy. Set that off to the side. This I bet is hardware. Be installation instructions. Put that over there. Rep Fitness sticker. Always appreciated. And then in here, we got all the nuts and bolts and whatnot. Put that over there. Throw that. Package number 2. This will be the front post. It's the front post. Set that off to the side. So this is going to be probably back post right there. I'm gonna be careful I don't cut into these. It's gonna be the front piece. It's got the rollers on it. See the 2 wheels right there. We'll set that over. Another piece of cardboard. Down there. It's wrapped. Packaging is fairly decent for it being such a big box. But this is the pad. I want to be careful with this. Like that. So you're gonna have 1 box, and then a little piece. What's up? You're done what?
You're gonna take.
Oh, thank you.
need help?
No. I think so.
Cool.
Okay.
That looks better, kind of.
Yep, so then we got bench. Looks good. And that's everything in the box.
Is there any popping paper in there?
No popping paper.
Okay.
That will end up going in the trash. We're done there. Alright, so got the pad, like so. Got the instructions, like so. All right, now we're gonna tell the people what we think. Okay?
We think it's awesome.
All right, so pros and cons. First pro is obviously, as Green's pointing out, the bench is pretty durable. But tools that come with it are horrible. That little wrench that we had, not so much, not good at all, right? So we didn't like that. We had to use our own tools. This is a 19 millimeter, and then you're going to need a 18 millimeter too as well. So that's number one. Bench is good, solid, like that. The wheels roll pretty good, so we're good there. Still have yet to use it, but the tubing's pretty good. Everything seems pretty stable. Crane here's not moving around a whole lot. I'll walk you guys around the bench and just kind of show you some stuff. Go ahead and jump on. All right, so as you guys can see, this is a bench in its entirety. We got it's pretty thick. This came together good. As you can see, there when it sent out, there is some chipping right there. They came off. I saw that in the box. So this is power coated, but this obviously didn't stay. Not too worried about that, just because it's going to be in a garage gym, so it's going to get beat up anyway. But there's 6 screws, big screws, 2 here, 2 in the back over here, and then you have 2 that sit at the bottom here as well. Wheels are pretty solid, rubber. These were pretty tight when they came on. These end caps, time will tell if they're going to stay on. This end cap right here feels like it's going to come off a little bit. Welds are all right on it, so not real concerned about those. Like I said, time will tell as we get to lifting. So that's the Rep 5000, and do a review later and see how it works and how it functions.